Hi, it's Danny here. Welcome to this mini-series on neck alignment and function and awareness. Let's just start with an inner image of where you feel your neck is in relationship to the rest of your body. So you might close your eyes for a moment. Standing, sitting, however this works fine. Do you feel your neck is pretty well aligned with the rest of your body beneath? Shoulders to ribs, spine, pelvis, knees, ankles, feet to floor. Is there any tension in your neck? Are you holding your neck a certain way? The classic chin tuck. You tend to do that when you're asked to observe your neck, or someone's watching, exercise coach or physio or something. So position of neck right now. Comfort of neck. Okay, let's open eyes. So ideally, your neck, your head and neck are on your feet. Yes, you've got nice alignment through your shoulders and ribs and spine, pelvis, hips, knees, down to the ankles, to the floor. What can happen is the posture can get compromised when we sit, we drive, we work at a computer, and chest collapses, abs short, head pokes forwards, head comes up, neck gets jammed. So a forward neck position and a jammed neck from the occiput there. Now, of course, this is not ideal. This is putting strain on the neck with tech neck or text neck, and we're looking down a lot, potentially losing this natural inward curve. So that's it for this video. It's part of a series. Look out for other exercise videos for the neck. And thanks for watching.